We added onions and carrots, and we're going to saute those down. The chicken broth is done in the pressure cooker. And we'll keep sauteing this until they're softened. And the onions are translucent. Alright. Grab this. Oh man. Grab the strainer handle. Let all that juice drain off. And then I'm going to put it in a sheet pan right here so it can drain the rest of the way. Alright, and there's our chicken broth. I'm going to add it to our cooked carrots and onions. And that is about 8 cups of chicken stock. Alright, for our dumplings, we're going to do 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Alright, I'm going to whisk that up. And we're going to add half a cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and whisk, whisk, whisk. Alright, I did add another 1/4 cup of flour. Kneaded it for about a minute, and it is ready to roll out. Alright, it was rolled out to about 1/8 of an inch. And then the best way for me to cut these is just use a pizza cutter. And cut your dumplings however big you want them. And then we're going to just drop this into our dump that into our chicken broth. And I'm going to keep adding these and I like a lot of vegetables, so I'm going to add a cup of peas. A can of green beans. And then it'll be more of a filler as well. And I let those dumplings cook for about 15 minutes. All right, here's the taste test.
Ooh, I got a mouthful of pepper. Give me a dumpling.
Dumpling.
Give me some dumpling. Get some juice.
It's hot.
Looks like it. Oh, I got a lap full of dog. It's kind of hard to... That's really good. I like it.